Yes, I'm talking, Seraphine. You're not talking. Yeah, we got proactive. No, start opening it.
Okay.
No, I gotta show them the box. No. Back off. Hold still. I don't get along with this one. This face is evil.
No, we don't get along anytime.
Your path. Stop shaking it, Sarah.
Your path to clear skin.
No, shut up. Your path to clear skin.
Proactive bliss.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, thanks.
This comes from.
Sounds like I'm having your baby.
No, it doesn't. I will kick you again and again and again and again. Unboxing proactive.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, let's see. Let me see this.
Hey.
Haha.
Okay, cool. We get a magazine.
Hang on. Ah! Ronan Fields Proactive Plus Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. Wait a minute, what? Benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. All right.
Yay!
Wow, 2 Florida ounces.
Yay!
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 Oh, you can't see it, but it says this creamy, cushiony cleanser is formulated with prescription-strength microcrystal benzoyl peroxide to clear up acne blemishes and help prevent new ones from forming. It also contains tiny exfoliating beads and glycolic acid, which help to gently resurface the skin to reveal a smoother, softer looking complexion. Okay, the only thing no, the tiny exfoliating beads. No. Will it? No, it won't focus. Sorry. Oh, let's see this. Hello. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So this is. Oh, emergency blemish relief. That's fun. What's this? Complexion perfecting hydrator.
I think this is supposed to be used
Wow.
for the deep cleansing brush. Daddy sure did spend the night.
Spend?
Yeah.
How much does this cost?
I don't know, like $19.
$19. Yeah, from the dad who buys me a sapphire on her birthday and studded with diamonds, mind you. Wait, does it come with the batteries?
Yes.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Are there directions?
No.
There aren't any instructions?
No. You should know how to take. Well, they are on the sides of boxes, but I don't.
On the sides of boxes. Instructions on the sides of boxes. How useful. Yeah, box instructions
Here's
don't
instructions on the
usually
back.
use well. Wow, box instructions do not.
Well, they actually do sometimes.
Box instructions.
Box instructions. Yes, a box instructions. Stop! I will kick you.
I will kick you.
Well, you're already kicking me.
Meh!
Oh yeah. By the way, producer Josh, if you're watching this, hello. From Daryl Day, Top Radio Show.
I know, Sarah. You're like, she doesn't know what I'm talking about.
Hello from the other side. No. Yeah, remember, we cannot talk at the same time because
Yes, you can.
one of our voices will get mixed up.
You mean your baby face?
Shut up!
Kitty would like to have a half a glass of food.
Nina?
Alright, I'll feed the cat.
Alright, okay.
I know she is. She has to be patient. Cat food, gonna feed a cat food.
We have the kid's fattest cat.
She is not fat. Look at her. She's talking to me. Yes, Your Highness. I know. That's not her name. No, not cat.
Out.
Out. I know. I've got your food right here. Look. Food. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Ungrateful brat. She says thank you sometimes. She also says please.
And thank you.
Yeah. She says please when she's not that hungry. she's being Her Royal Highness today.
Reindeer. Ooh, shut your face up.
Oh wait. Gotta see this. Seraphin, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Let's go. See that grubbly head.
That's why
forehead.
Proactive Plus.
For you Naruto fans out there, she has Sakura's billboard brow. It's Seraphine realizing that it actually works. This is one of the
Brushes.
brush heads.
It's headless right now.
Crop circus! No.
It's headless right now. I think
Oh, look. Show him the other brush.
it's so soft.
Wait. Is it? Let me see it. You grubby hands! Get off of it! She is going to attack me with it now. Ah! Don't you touch it! No, don't. I will get these claws on you, girl. My claws.
I think this is supposed to go first, and then that.
Why don't you read the box instructions?
Okay. Box instructions.
I can't read.
You idiot. You ASDF idiot.
Just once per day.
This is the Princess of Random Earthquake.
That's so much fun.
What are you doing? Random.
That fan behind it, please.
Alright, I'll get the fan. Phones were. What?
I said, how can we eat this stuff?
We aren't going to eat it.
My hair.
Grandmother. Oh yeah, we got a coconut. I managed to get a coconut out like this. That is at the shelf, by the way. It's gotten old because it wasn't put in the fridge. Messy table.
Mr. Table.
Sideways.
Table is this body bar. It's a body bar. Okay, so this is the
It's out there.
Huh?
What? What are you doing?
Having a baby.
You're an idiot. Stop it.
Yeah.
I love how I can just change your face color from orange to white, and like by shaking around the tablet.
That's nice.
Yes, I know you are. I wonder what Granny looks like. Oh no, does it?
We'll have Second and Charles and see what time they're open, Romeo. Anyone there?
Alright. Well, you shut up.
No.
Here's how it looks right there, Second and Charles.
That's yours, Mina.
To Alabama gift card to Second and Charles.
Yes, it
Gonna get some books.
books.
Some books. Oh hey, I could use this on secondandcharles.com. So .com. Just shut up now, no one wants to listen, 'cause you're singing. Well, I guess it's proactive, so it's just, we got soap. Had to do it. What's this? How does this work? What? Oh.
You press it again for high. It's high.
Ugh. That is hard to push. Ugh.
Kind of. No, quit, please. Stop.
I will shoot you with it.
Stop it. You're gonna wear the batteries already.
No, I'm not. Have you ever been this intent in a book?
No, not really.
Hey, hey, stupid. What you doing over there, reading?
Yes.
I think we have to end this video. What do you think? What do you
I
think?
So too, because first we can
Alright.
show over what we got.
Alright. Oh,
So
hang on a minute.
peace out.